How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today we have with us one of the most anticipated compact flagship from Vivo, the all new X300. And guys, first things first, let's appreciate these Chinese brands like Vivo, OnePlus and even Oppo for not only including the charger in the box but also giving us a color matching case and a screen protector. So the unboxing experience is really good. Now coming to the device itself, I've got it in this Summit red color and this is hands down one of the gorgeous looking phones that I had a chance to try out in recent times. I mean, just look at how beautiful this thing looks. Not just the deep red color, but I also like how the whole frame and the camera module comes in black color, and you know the combination of red and black goes really well. Thanks to the compact size and premium build, it feels like a joy to hold and I have no complaints regarding the in-hand feel. I mean, you're gonna love holding and using this phone all the time. Now coming to the front, we get a gorgeous 6.31 inch 1.5K LTPO AMOLED 120Hz adaptive display with a peak brightness that can go all the way up to 4500 nits. No doubt it's a good looking screen with thin symmetrical bezels all around. But I do have one small concern regarding the refresh rate. Although I have changed the refresh rate from adaptive to 120Hz all the time, still when I'm scrolling anything on this phone, no matter whether it's YouTube, Twitter or even inside the settings page, it keeps switching between 90 to 120Hz and that feels kind of jittery sometimes. It doesn't give you that buttery smooth experience, and this issue doesn't exist on Oppo or OnePlus devices, so I really hope Vivo will fix this maybe with a software update. Moving on to the processor, this phone has the latest and greatest from MediaTek. It's the Dimensity 9500 and it can handle anything you throw at it with ease. I mean, we are talking about a flagship phone, so I don't think you need to worry about the performance. It's gonna be top notch without any compromises. Now, despite the fact that it's a compact phone, it has a massive 6000 mAh silicon carbon battery which can easily last you for a day or even two based on your usage. The Vivo X300 comes with a triple camera setup on the back with a 200 megapixel primary lens, a 50 megapixel ultra wide and a 50 megapixel telephoto. As expected from Vivo's flagship, all the cameras perform really well in different lighting conditions and you can click some stunning looking photos from this device. Although I have one suggestion for you, just make sure to change the style from vivid to Zeiss for more natural looking pictures. By the way guys, I'm planning to make a separate comparison video with Oppo X9 where I'll discuss more about the cameras, so stay tuned for that. Now coming to my favorite part of reviewing a smartphone, and that is the software experience. Well, things have changed a lot, especially in terms of UI. I mean, you now get the OriginOS 6 based on Android 16 and it definitely looks a lot improved compared to the outdated FunTouch OS. And not just that, you'll also be getting 5 years of software updates on this phone, which is again a great thing. Guys, I'll be showing you all the new features and customizations related to OriginOS 6, and this will surely help you get the most out of your brand new Vivo X300 or 300 Pro. So stay tuned and watch this video until the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, the moment you unlock your phone, you will see a lot of inspiration from iOS liquid glass all across the interface. I mean, if you look at the lock screen itself, you can see the new transparent kind of a frosted glass effect to the clock and widgets along with the notifications too. And guess what? We also have the stacked notifications just like iOS. Even the clock changes its size and adapt to the notification position, which is again something that we have already seen on iOS 26. Still, let's take this as an inspiration, and honestly it doesn't matter if you're copying iOS or some other UI. The thing is that OriginOS 6 looks a lot better compared to FunTouch OS 15, and I'm excited to share you some of the lock screen customizations. Unlike other Android UIs like the OxygenOS or the ColorOS 16, here I can just pinch with my 2 fingers and go directly to the customization screen, and there is a lot to talk about. First, we get the option to drag and resize the clock, and there are 3 different clock styles that you can choose from along with the 2 different fonts, and there is an option to adjust the glass effect too. Obviously you can change the color, but what I liked here is that they have given us the option to go back to the classic lock screen customization. So if you don't like too much of iOS resemblance on your lock screen, then you can switch to the classic look, which actually gives you that similar style to the old FunTouch OS. Then we have got the collection section where there are so many different themes and wallpapers to choose from. We have got some beautiful animated themes with depth effect, but the coolest part here is this flip card section that changes the wallpaper dynamically when you tilt your phone like this. The best part is it even works with your own custom pictures too. I really like this specific option because this is something which you won't find on other Android UIs. Then we have got some more wallpapers, and you can also add widgets to the lock screen. So you get every single feature related to the lock screen, and there is an option to enable the full screen always on display, which shows you the wallpaper as well. Now there is one more cool thing that I want to show you. When you try to unlock your phone using passcode, you now get this glass-like reflection when you press any of the buttons. And by the way, if you love these kind of wallpapers, then you can check out this brand new application called Screencraft. It has one of the best collection of wallpapers available for your Android phone, and most of the wallpapers that you see on our videos are from the same app. So definitely try this one out. Link is provided in the description below. Now coming to the home screen, we do not have much to talk about, but there are a couple of things that you need to know. First, you can now resize the enlarge folder in 3 different layouts. Previously, we didn't have any such option. And if you look closely, we also have the dock available in OriginOS 6. To enable or disable the dock feature, just long press, go to the home screen settings, and then select the dock option. Here simply turn on show background. It will enable the dock on your home screen. Next, if you're inside the app drawer, you get the option to create different folders, which is quite useful, and you don't see this option in many other Android phones except for the One UI, but I'm glad even Vivo has added this feature. Next, talking about the app icons, if you go into the settings, then to home screen and lock screen, click on icons. Here not only can you change the icon style, but you can also download these beautiful looking dual tone origin style icons from the theme store. So just click on more icon style and search for origin icons. You will get these cool looking icons in different colors directly from the theme store. Next, you can also increase or decrease the icon size and even change the icon shape from square to round as per your need. So there are quite a few things you can do with the app icons, but sadly we do not have the option to apply third-party icon packs from the Play Store. Now what's more interesting is this all new control center, which I think looks very modern and clean compared to previous version. Well, that was the worst looking quick panel, but now things have changed and Vivo has completely redesigned the quick settings. I mean, everything has been refreshed. The toggles, then the brightness and volume sliders, also the frosted glass looks really good in the control center. You can open the quick settings from the top right corner and notification shade from the top left, or you can combine both if you want to. The recent app page also has a new stack style which can be enabled by simply going into your phone settings, selecting apps, and then going inside the recent background apps. Here you can change it from tile to stack. OriginOS 6 also brings the all-new Origin Island feature, which might be the best implementation of iOS Dynamic Island that we have seen on Android. It has the music player that works with most of the streaming apps you have on your phone, and not only does it have a very fluid and smooth animations, but also the theme of this island changes automatically to match the album cover. This island works with apps like Timer, Voice Recorder, Maps, YouTube Music, and many more. The best part is it also supports contextual suggestions. Let's say you copy a phone number that someone has shared, it gives you suggestions inside the island to quickly save it as a contact or share it directly with someone. Similarly, if you copy a link, it gives suggestion to open the link directly from the island. You can also drag and drop text or pictures that you have copied directly to this island. I really like how this Origin Island works, and you can also open and pin your favorite applications too. Overall, it's a pretty useful feature that works seamlessly with smooth and fluid animations. Finally, if we talk about some AI features, we do get Circle to Search, where you can quickly search or scribble on an object and search instantly on Google. Then there is also the integration of Google Gemini that can simplify all your tasks and make you more productive. Then if you talk about some photo editing tools, we do get features like AI Eraser, which can help you remove unwanted objects. AI Expander will change the orientation of your photos, and AI Adjustment will further adjust the colors and vibrancy as per your need. So the AI tools are quite limited on OriginOS 6, but still I think it gets the job done for you. That's pretty much it for this video. These are some useful tips, tricks and hidden features that will help you get the most out of your brand new Vivo X300 or 300 Pro. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.